Cameron Moreland and Sports Director Charlie Sakaitis. NBC26 News at 6, keeping you connected.
We are following a storm alert tonight. A winter storm warning remains in effect for Sheboygan, Manitowoc, Kewaunee, and Door counties, where the snow is going to be heavier throughout the night and where we've had a lot more snow. Farther inland, a winter weather advisory where the snow is going to be much lighter and where we haven't had as much snow. Not even close. Here's a look at Storm Shield radar showing lake effect snow showers here covering parts of northeast Wisconsin, especially to the north and east of Green Bay. You can see right now the snow is mainly light to moderate, but some bursts of heavy snow are possible at times as we head throughout the night. Here's a look at those snowfall totals from eastern Manitowoc County through eastern Kewaunee County up through much of Door County. The totals have been very impressive. Many spots picking up over a foot of snow, including Ephraim, where we've had 18 inches of snow. We had 16 inches in Bailey's Harbor, 12 inches in Sister Bay, right around 11 inches in Jacksonport. Lower amounts to the south and much lower amounts off to the south and west. Officially in Green Bay, only 2 inches so far. Here's a look at SkyCast showing that lake effect snow activity continuing throughout the night. We're going to see on and off lake effect snow showers, especially from the Fox Valley towards the lakeshore. In fact, the computer models are suggesting that a heavier band could once again redevelop and then drop south along the lakeshore as we head throughout the night into tomorrow morning. And that means another 3 to 4 inches is likely near the shoreline of Lake Michigan, with locally higher amounts around 6 inches not out of the question. Farther inland, the totals will be much less, a dusting to maybe an inch or so. That's going to bring snowfall totals into that 3 to 5 inch range for much of the viewing area. But however, near the shoreline of Lake Michigan, 10 to 20 inches of snow is likely before all is said and done. Those snow showers will be heavy at times. We'll have some blowing and drifting, and that's going to create some difficult traveling. So what produces lake effect snow? Well, you need cold air moving over relatively warm water. That creates an unstable air mass, and usually that happens on the other side of Lake Michigan. Our winds during the winter are prevailing out of the west. However, last night we had a southerly wind flow, and that allowed a lake effect snow band to develop across the central part of the Lake Michigan, and you can see it right there. And then it basically sat in the same spot all night long before gradually drifting off to the south and west during the morning hours and weakening, and that's why the snow was so heavy across parts of northern Door County. Right now, well away from the lake in Green Bay, we've got some light snow and flurries. In Appleton, a few flurries. The temperature is currently 19 degrees. The system that brought us the snow is now moving off towards the east. Behind it, we've got high pressure building in, and underneath that ridge of high pressure, it was another cold day. Temperatures running well below normal. Here in northeast Wisconsin, highs were in the lower to mid-20s, exactly what we would expect this time of year. In fact, if you had to pick just one day out of the entire year that was the coldest of the year, today would be that day with a normal high of 24 and a normal low of 9. Tomorrow, more of the same temperature-wise, mainly lower to mid-20s. We'll see a lot of clouds. Chance for a snow shower early, especially near Lake Michigan, and then we'll have a few flurries as we move into the afternoon. Not a big deal. Tonight, lake effect snow showers, heavy at times near the lake. Overnight lows around 12. Tomorrow, sun and clouds, a few flakes are possible. High temperatures will be in the lower to mid-20s. Quiet weather on Wednesday, maybe a rain or snow shower on Thursday, otherwise mainly dry. That develops ahead of some warmer weather. In fact, the second January thaw of the month is moving in. Saturday, 39. On the backside of that January thaw, it looks like a big storm will impact the middle part of the country. How much, where, when, questions that will be answered as we get closer.
We just have to wait to see, right?
That's right.
That's all we can do.
Let's get done with this one first.
That's right. Shovel this one out and then get ready again.
Good idea.
All right. Thanks so much, Cameron. Well, tonight on NBC